know.
Warning, warning. This a disclaimer to all my backflipping, skydiving content creators. Creative Fox is the best, man. It's a no-brainer. Yeah, our online store is live. We even got Roy Kramer, creative. An influencer's necessity, yeah. Rip Gene, helicopter flights sold separately, yeah. Tobk overlays, color grades and roller skates. Assets added every month. Creative Fox, we here to stay, yeah. Yes, yes.
Hey, what's up everyone? Chris Rogers here. I hope you guys are doing well, and today I'm really excited to show you guys how to take your editing and content creation to the next level with the brand new Creator FX bundle. So myself and a whole bunch of other creators have put this bundle together. It includes everything from text animation, 3D holograms, anamorphic flares, lens flares, transitions, LUTs, presets, sound effects, and a whole bunch more. It is, in my opinion, the greatest collection of digital products ever for content creation. So in this video, I'm going to break down how I use some of these products and show you guys how you can use them to take your content to the next level. Okay, so the first product I want to show you guys in the bundle is probably my favorite one. I've been having a lot of fun with this one. Watch this, watch this. This is so sick. I've been having so much fun. So this is the 3D hologram from Oliver J, incredible content creator. It's fully customizable, so we can change the text, we can change the color of it, we can even adjust the angle. Yeah, really cool effect. And I was using this effect the other day just to help bring some photos to life. So I was shooting some content for a long time. Client and sponsor of mine, LSKD, we're out shooting, and yeah, I just wanted to take some of these photos to the next level. So I threw the hologram on there. And as you can see, the hologram really just kind of creates this awesome sort of depth of field and a 3D effect on the photos. So it just really brings your content to life. Been having a lot of fun with this 3D hologram. Oliver has created an awesome, easy to follow tutorial that shows you how to customize and use this effect in After Effects and then export it into either Premiere, Final Cut, or whatever you usually edit in. And the tutorial also shows you how to motion track this as well. If you've got some camera movements in a video and you want to motion track the hologram around something or onto something, Oliver shows you how to motion track the hologram as well, which is really cool. So yeah, even if you're a photographer, the hologram looks epic in photos and just helps bring photos to life. So yeah, this is by far probably my favorite effect in the whole bundle. So next up we have Gimbal God, aka Spencer Whiting. If you don't know who Spenny is, I highly suggest you follow him on Instagram. He is, in my opinion, one of the greatest follow cam snowboard filmmakers in the world. What he's able to capture is absolutely incredible. So Gimbal God has included his LUTs in the bundle, which look incredible on snow content. As you can see on some of these shots of my own snow content, I apply his LUTs and they just make the footage look amazing. So Gimbal God has also included his own tutorial or ebook, which breaks down everything from his GoPro settings to his equipment, his editing workflow, export settings. And I find a lot of similarities in the way he sets up his GoPro as well as his editing workflow. So if you kind of want to know the approach that I take, it's very similar to Gimbal God's, and all the information is in his ebook, and there is an incredible collection of information in there, so definitely worth checking out. So another great product in the bundle are the collection of flickers and flares. These are sort of anamorphic flares to give your content a really nice dynamic cinematic touch. It's been really fun playing with it on my own content, sort of trying to create a bit of a different feel to my content with these flares. And you can also use them as a nice little transition as well. As you can see on this drone shot, I use the flicker to transition from the one shot to the other. So yeah, I believe there are over 70 different flares and anamorphic flares in this bundle, so huge variety to choose from. It can just really add a nice cinematic touch to your content. So another favorite effect of mine in the bundle is the Tobk Glitch, created by that one blonde kid. It's a really easy drag and drop effect into either Premiere Pro or Final Cut. Super easy to use, and you can customize it quite a lot. So I've been having a bunch of fun playing with it on my own content, and I find it really creates just a whole nother element to a shot. So if you've got a shot that's a little bit boring, there's not too much happening, throw the glitch on and just bring your content to life with it. Fully customizable, so you can have a lot of fun with it. So the pack also includes a huge variety of markers and doodles that you can easily apply to your footage. Another thing that just helps bring your content to life or spice up your footage. And yeah, super easy to apply. I've personally never had much experience when it comes to stuff like this, so being able to easily apply it to my footage has been a lot of fun, and they're really customizable, so you can kind of make them unique and make them your own. In the bundle, there's an awesome ebook called The Ultimate Filmmaker's Business Guide. Now this is created by a guy called Zach Zlatic, otherwise known as Double Z on Instagram. I've been following Zach for quite a few years on Instagram now, and he has an incredible list of clients and a massive portfolio of content. So he's got some real knowledge that he shares in this guide. The guide includes everything from how to price and charge for your content, full gear breakdowns, some personal finance tips, and a whole collection of knowledge that Zach's collected over his years as a filmmaker. That'll really help give you an insight into this industry. So another incredible content creator in the bundle is a guy called Max Novak. He has included his motion effects preset pack for Premiere Pro. Super easy to apply. It consists of a whole bunch of different transitions, effects, glitches that you can easily apply to your content. So I used a bunch of Max's effects on the intro section to this video. I liked his Tarantino's zoom crash, which sort of zooms into the skateboarding shot here, and then also his ghosting effect. As you can see on the board, it sort of creates this ghosting effect, which is really fun to play with. I've used it on a bunch of other footage as well. I also used Max's crunch distort transition for this underwater shot. Yeah, something super unique and different, and Max has, I think, over 30 different effects in his preset pack, so you can get pretty crazy with them. If you shoot a lot of music videos, I think you're gonna have a lot of fun playing with his effects. And the effects are fully customizable, so you can get pretty creative with them and make them as crazy as you want. And lastly, the bundle includes a huge variety of presets and video LUTs to color grade your footage or your photos. I didn't want to speak too much about it, but basically, if you're not too familiar with presets, they are incredible ways to color grade your footage, and it's done in Lightroom. And if you are not familiar with LUTs, it's the way that we color grade our footage. So I've personally included my GoPro LUTs in the bundle. If you want to color grade and take your GoPro footage to the next level, you can use my LUTs to do so. And there's a huge variety of other LUTs and presets created by a bunch of different creators in the bundle. So you're going to be sorted for all your color grading needs, whether it's photo or video. All right, so I think that pretty much wraps it up. I hope this video has been insightful and helped give you guys a bit of a better idea as to what's in the bundle and how you can use it on your own content. This is such an incredible pack. I've never seen such a diverse collection of digital assets for creators in one bundle. It's only available for 10 days, so make sure you get it before it's gone. And yeah, the sooner you get it, the sooner you can enter the video competition. And if you want to find out more details about that, hit the link in the description. So yeah, if you want to get the bundle and you want to support me in this channel, please get the bundle through the link in the description below. It helps support me. I do earn a small commission from the sales generated through that. And yeah, this is such an incredible collection of digital assets. If you are a content creator, aspiring filmmaker, even if you're in digital marketing, I would suggest getting this bundle. The collection of digital assets is like no other I've ever seen before. So yeah, go have some fun with it. And we've got a special message from good old Carol.
Hey all you FXN cats and kittens, it's Carol Baskin from Big Cat Rescue. I just want to let you know the Creator FX team has done it again. Oh, be a big cat and bundle the up.